Welcome students. Today we will discuss a problem to find the maximum and minimum number in SDA. Okay? In single dimensional array we have to find the maximum and minimum number. So first we import the util package, then start the class, main method, then create the object of the scanner class. After this we declare the array. How we declare? First is the data type. We have to find the number. So here I am taking int data type. Int, then variable name, subscript is equals to new data type, then in subscript size of the array. So I am taking size here 10. We have to find the minimum and maximum number in 10 numbers. Okay. After this, we start loop to take input from the user. Okay, start loop. I value is equals to 0 and less than 10, I plus plus. Then SOP, here is the message, enter the number. Then how we take input from the user? M of I. Okay, M of I within subscript I value is 0. So first of all it will take the input for 0 index number. Okay, next time I value increases, I value is 1. So M of I means M of 1. So it will take the input for 1 index number. Okay, like that it will take the 10 integer numbers from the user. After this we have to calculate find the minimum and maximum number. So first of all we take the variable. Here I am taking int max. Okay, and its value is, initial value is m of 0. Okay, m of 0 means 0 index number I will store in max variable. Next is the, we have to find maximum and minimum both. So I am taking here min variable and its value, assign the value of min variable is index of m of 0 means 0 index number. 0 index number we stores in maximum and 0 index number we stores the minimum variable. Okay, after this again we need the for loop. Int I is equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Okay, for loop. After this we assign in max and min the first value means 0 index value of the array. Here we check if max is less than m of I. Okay, if this condition is true means max is less than m of I, then what we will do? Max is equals to m of I. Okay, m of I value stores in max variable. Like that, same for minimum. Min is less than, min is greater than m of I. Okay, if this condition is true, min is equals to m of I. And here close the loop. So first of all max value is 0 and m of I means 0 index value. If this condition is true, then 0 index value stores in max variable. Clear? Or if this condition means min variable which initial value is 0, Is this condition, if this condition is true, then m of I means zero index value stores in min variable. Like that, loop will repeated 9 terms. Okay, 0 to 9 terms. So we will find the maximum and minimum value. After closing the loop, print the value SOPLN maximum, print the max value here, max, or SOPLN minimum, print the min variable value here. After this, close the method and close the class. This is the program of minimum and maximum number program in SDA.